talk about this dangerous weather right now. If you're a beginning driver and not sure what to do, I advise you not to drive in this type of weather. We have a slush, we have snow, and the temperatures will freeze. If you're new, you need to reduce your speed. Do you see how smoothly this car is going in? You will slide. You want to reduce your speed. You want to take your time. As you're driving through this types of weather, reduce your speed, increase your following distance, and you must take your time. I do driving tutorials. I'm a state certified driving instructor. I teach adults and teens. Use this as a learning experience to prepare you for the next challenge and opportunity in driving. Every day you have a chance to learn something. Watch my videos and learn something. Be careful, drive safe, and have a good perspective on proper lane control and adverse weather conditions. The life you save could be your own. Reduce slow and increase your following distance. Take your time, look around, and learn from your driving environment. It will be very critical that you pick up the necessary tools from watching these videos and leave comments so I can give you good feedback and see you learn to drive safely. It's extremely important that you learn to drive safely and you understand the hazards and dangers of driving in this adverse weather. Look at this vehicle, they're going slow around the curve. We want to take our time and we want to be aware because every time you drive, you're going to make critical decisions that will impact your lives and the lives of others. Go slower, cover your brake, and drive at a speed that is safe and reasonable for the conditions on the road. As I pull off, I'm going to look and be aware and take my time and be safe. And I'm turning slowly, and also I'm going to test the pavement. See how I slide a little bit? You have to be careful, and you really want to be aware of what's going on. Look into your turns just as I'm looking. Cover your brake and take your time. Slow down earlier. Allow the car to come to a full stop and be smooth on the gas and brake as you drive around, and be patient with your learning environment because every day you drive, you're going to pick up new information and really make those critical decisions to help